Got the good shit.
There we go, boys.
Oh, these muffins are great with tequila, Bobby.
Shit, it's addictive. Turning me up.
Basta. Banana sugar, organic flour, no processed shit.
Not that any of you give it to him.
You put hash in them?
You know my rule, no bud before 9 a.m.
I don't have that rule.
Morning, kids. Deal with the Niners has officially closed. Spoke to Leroy, and he is giddy about his new assault rifles.
Well, not all about racial harmony.
Spend it wisely, boys. Might be a while before we see any more gun green.
I love the green. All about the Benjamin.